Hi, my name's Steve Oliver and welcome to the 2017 Oregon Google Summit. I teach social studies and video production at Happy Valley Middle School. I'm going to show you how you can embed content into your website to maximize your time with your students. In this workshop, you're going to learn how to embed documents, presentations, and videos into your website so that you can flip your instruction and maximize your time in class with your students. What continent are we on here? Africa, right? So find the map of Africa. So, as long as you've got a Google account, you're able to make Google Sites, and we're going to learn how to do a whole bunch, so let's get right to it. I started working with video in my classroom 9 years ago just to make a video for the end of the year for my class. Since then, I've made a number of videos that I've used on my website, from tutorials, or the prime meridian if it's a longitude line. So now we're going to zoom into Happy Valley to find our school. I've done music videos.
Commas help a writer make a sentence brighter.
And I teach a video production class at Happy Valley Middle School. It's the weekly news broadcast, so each day we're editing video for the class to be shown to our students.
You're watching Embedding TV!
Now, video editing can seem daunting at first, but it's actually pretty easy to do, and the benefits of embedding video into your lessons are endless. You'll be keeping all your videos for HTV in a folder, so from your Google Drive you're going to click New and Folder, and then you're going to call it last name, first name, HTV. These days, when you need to learn something, you learn by going onto YouTube. Think about your students and their perspective. It's the same thing. If you can have your instruction in video form embedded on your website, so then I drag it above the clip, just like you would for a cutaway if you're cutting to a picture. But what you're going to do this time is you're going to change the little thing to say green screen instead of cutaway. The time in class can be making sure that your students understand the content, not just are being presented the content. To get started, go ahead and press your Apps button and then select Sites. This then shows a list of any websites you've already made, and on the left-hand side you click New Google Sites. You then press the large red plus button in the bottom right-hand corner, and you give your web page a name. That's how you get started on your first Google site. A great feature of Google Sites is that you can embed documents directly into them by clicking the Insert button. But first, go into your document, and you'll notice there's a Share button in the upper right-hand corner. You click on that, and you're going to have to hit Advanced, and then Change, and you're going to set it to Public on the web. This way, families can see the content without being logged on. Then what you do is you hit the Insert button from the Google Sites menu, and you choose Google Drive from Drive, and then you can search for your document. So as I type in the title name, it appears. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to press the Insert button, and you'll notice it just went to a bottom section of my page. So I'm going to resize it and then drag it right where I want, and then I press the Preview button to see how it looks. Now, you don't always get the spacing exactly how you want on the first try, so I go back and forth between the Preview mode, changing the size of the document. You can change the width and you can change the height, and then go back again, press that Preview button and see how it looks. And then once you have it how you like, all you have to do is publish your site. So what you're going to do is you come back in, and there's a Publish button in the right-hand corner. You click that, and for the first time you have to hit the Agree to make it live on the web, and then you publish that as well. And now you've embedded a document into your site. Another useful feature of Google Sites is the ability to embed presentations directly into it. So it's very similar to embedding a document. You'll need to click that Share button. Once again, Advanced you'll click. You're going to change that to becoming public on the web. That way anyone's able to view it, and you save that. When you're back in your site editor mode, you're going to click Insert again. Once again from Drive, and now you'll search for the file just by the name, this exact same way as a document. And you'll select that presentation and hit Insert. Now once you do, it goes onto the bottom of your site, and then you can drag it where you like to. So here I am adjusting it. And then to see how I like it, I'm going to press that preview button. And right away, this one looks like it turned out pretty well. Once you like it, you're going to go ahead and press Publish. And now your presentation is live on your site. To insert video, you're going to hit that Insert button again. And now I'm going to select from YouTube, and I've already copied and pasted the URL that I want to use. So I put it in the search bar, hit the search button, select my video, and hit Select. So it goes to the bottom of the site again. I drag it right where I want. You can also adjust the parameters of this, the size, just like on a document or a presentation. Press the preview button, see how it looks. And close that window. And then each time you hit Publish to make it live to your website. So hopefully you found these tips helpful, and you are well on your way to making an effective website that can engage your students. So you've embedded presentations, you've inserted documents, and you've added videos to your website. Now what I want to encourage you to do is to really dive deep into the video world and start creating your own content that engages your students. That's how you really flip your classroom. That's how you maximize your instruction time. And really joining the YouTube community is what it's all about as far as producing content. So I am 95% taught by YouTube when it comes to my video work. So you can do it too. It just takes a little bit of time, it takes some effort, but once you see students engaged, once you see students excited about learning your content, seeing you on video, the results are just going to pay off for themselves. So I want to thank you for learning with us today, whether it was here in the classroom or online, and have a great day. Enjoy the rest of the summit.